Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do speech to text. In Node.js. So the first thing you're going to want to do is download Node.js if you don't have it, and go to the Picovoice console and grab your access key. Then you're going to want to create a JavaScript file. I've named mine real-time. Now before we start on the code, we're going to have to install a couple dependencies. PV Leopard, as well as PV Recorder. You're going to see that I already have those installed, so let's start on the code. First, we're going to define our constants, and then use that access key in order to define Leopard. And finally, we're going to copy and paste the code from a blog post that'll be linked down below. And what that code does is it takes in our audio, processes it, and then takes out the text. All right, now let's run our code. One, two, three, four, five. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and visit Picovoice AI for more tutorials.